It's time to go. I don't know if I'm ready to ride that. Oh my god! I liked it. It was kind of weird though. Like when it started on the first launch, my seat went all the way down. So I was literally like squatting. I don't know if that's like supposed to happen, but it happened. Felt like you were gonna fly off. I liked it, but I didn't. The feeling. Well, yeah, we're gonna go and do icebreaker. I'm sweating buckets, and I think we're gonna do MAKO. Maybe like one other item, probably leave. I just ate pizza. I might throw up. Oh, we didn't get wet. We thought we were gonna get wet because most of the people on the boat is on this side. It's not over yet. This is the terrifying part right here. My feet! My feet! My shoes! My feet! My socks! That was horrible. I got soaked. Yay. Hanging out with you. Bye, bestie. We're basically done over here. It's been pretty fun. We've been doing these reunions. This is the second one. We met right after my CP on California, and now we're here at Orlando. It's just sad because, you know, we'll see when the other ones happen. And yeah. Like, subscribe, do whatever you're doing. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.